2014 Dodge Challenger here at Unique, especially in classics. This particular one, 2014 Dodge Challenger RT. A little bit of a limited production model though. You'll see them called 14 Mopar package or Mopar 14 package, Mopar performance package. 100 of these made, and this happens to be number 7 of that 100. I believe they're all in black or white, and you could kind of change up the stripes a little bit, I believe. What I can tell you is this particular car, clean Carfax, no accidents, confirmed original miles at 825 on it right now. 5.7 liter Hemi underneath the hood with that shaker system. That's paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission in black clear coat. The interior is the shaker leather seats by Mopar in slate gray. If you want to see the exact options on this car, check out the window sticker, check out the rest of the still pictures, see the interior, the underside, engine bay, trunk area, and I'll try to hit on some of the options. But check out the still pictures, and then of course that window sticker is going to tell you exactly how this car was produced. That can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Some of the things that were included on that package, you're going to see strut tower braces front and rear in the still pictures. You can take a look at this Mopar insignia on the seat. Of course, bucket seats, pistol grip shifter, again that 6-speed manual, shifter in the console. Anyway, strut tower braces front and rear, lowering springs, also performance sway bars, cold air intake, electronic rear differential. This one also has Borla exhaust added. It's got a little bark to it. And again, you can read up about this package. This is number 7 out of 100 made. Remember, we also consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Some of the other options that were free flow options are ordered outside of the package and are added on to what would have been standard on this vehicle. Some very nice equipment on this car, let's put it that way. It does have the Uconnect stereo system. You can check that out on the window sticker. Also the sunroof, Harman Kardon stereo, and then that would have the subwoofers in the trunk, premium floor mats, the bright door sill guards, and we'll check that when we open the door up here in just a second. Again, check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video, and the description is going to take you right there. All right, there's those brighter sill guards. Mentioned we're on the window sticker. And of course, you're going to have your more modern standard amenities on this one. Power windows, power locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Of course, steering wheel controls for cruise, information center, AC, power steering, power brakes. AC does blow cold. Sirius XM radio. The list goes on. Check out that window sticker. All right, there's your exact miles, 825, if you can see that. Let's go ahead and fire this up. It also comes with both keys, by the way. You hear a little bark out of that Borla exhaust. All right. Dash, good shape. It's what you'd expect as far as this interior and how it would be worn on a car with only 825 miles. See for yourself. Again, power sunroof. There you go. That'll turn some heads, sound and looks. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to take these hood pins out a second. And I'm going to pause this. Let's pop the hood, let you check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Get a look at the underside of that shaker. That cold air intake. strut tower brace talked about earlier, and again on each side. 5.7 liter Hemi. Couple signatures. Go ahead and fill me in. I'm not sure who that is. 2016. You see this on YouTube, know what that is and how that would be relevant to this car. I'm sure there's a story behind it. Smooth running, sounds good. Again, what you'd expect with a 825 mile engine bay. Nice and clean and tidy. 2014, number 7 of 100. Challenger RT in this limited package. Clean Carfax, low miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.